All right, so the girls are here. They are helping me with these tomatoes. I have, my mom has a friend who still has tomatoes growing, which is amazing, and gifted me 3 boxes of them. So the girls are cutting off the moldy spots because they've been sitting on my table for, I don't know, 3 days or so now. And they've started to grow some mold on the outside, so they're just cutting the moldy parts out and getting the good parts in bowls, and then I'll get them heated up and run them through my KitchenAid strainer. So I'll bring you back when they're heated up and they're ready to get strained. So it is the next morning, and I'll show you guys my setup. I have heated up the tomatoes in my big pot, and then from there they go into my strainer where the juice and pulp goes in there, and the skins and seeds and anything else goes in there. And then I pour that into my pot on the stove, and I have that one boiling, ready to get jarred up, and then they'll go into my canner. So I'll bring you back in a bit when I have some of the jars in the canner ready to go. So there is 1 jar ready to go in the canner. I added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of salt. I filled it to 1/2 inch, wiped the rim, put the lid and the ring on, and now I'm gonna get it into the water bath canner. So here they are, fresh out of the canner. They processed for 45 minutes. Then I let them sit for a few minutes in the canner, and then I took them out. You can see that end one there has some settling. That one in the back over there, totally normal, just the pulp separating from the water. And that's okay. It's still safe, still good to eat. Lots of good tomatoes for the winter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.